report tonight from NBC's John Yang.
Do you want sugar?
Ben and Sue Harbat's comfortable life in Naperville, Illinois has taken an abrupt turn in the last 5 years. They both lost their jobs.
I came home and said, remember how we thought things couldn't get worse when you got laid off? And she said, yeah. I said, well, things just got worse because I just got laid off.
A solidly middle-class two-income household became a no-income household. Once volunteers at the local food bank, they became clients.
I didn't tell a lot of people. I told maybe my closest friends.
Ben's working again, packing ties. But they've gone from an income of $150,000 to $30,000.
We just have to live a different lifestyle, for right now at least.
The Harbat situation highlights the recovery's haves and have-nots. In 2012, the top 5% of households, those making more than $191,000, took in about as much as they did before the recession. But the other 95% made less. That's reflected at the local food bank.
Has the recovery meant that you've gone back to where you were before the recession?
Nowhere close. Families who are still in need of our services are coming more times. They're staying for a longer period of time.
For now, the Harbats have used savings to hold on to their house. They're no longer embarrassed to admit what the recession did to them.